Alright, knife lovers of the internet. Welcome to this video review showcase on the 3D Knights Cross Lock knife by Anglo Arms. Now, this might be a biased review on my part because I do love Anglo Arms. They're a good manufacturer. I just want to point out something quickly. Usually manual flip knives, so the ones that aren't spring assisted, have a little raised part on the blade so that you can use your thumb and like actually flip them out. This one doesn't have that, which is kind of weird, but yeah, just forgot to mention that in the video. Company. And this knife lives up to it because it's pretty damn. It's the design, awesome. It's full on. When it says 3D, it's I guess you could technically call it 3D. It's just like the design is the knight comes out of the knife, and it's so yeah. I guess you could call it 3D. It's pretty cool. The design is amazing on it. Like the quality looks really nice. The knight stands out incredibly well. The gold. Basically, it's meant to be an out the front knife, but they're illegal in this country, so it's not. But where the button would be, where it deploy, it's got that like circled in the gold sort of thing, and that's really cool. The bottom of it has a shield. It's a Templar shield by the looks of it, and that's pretty cool because it's got like gold around it, as you can see on the screen just now. The back of it, even though there's no actual design, it's just like silver or grey, I guess you would call that. It looks really nice and it looks really damn clean. It's a great looking knife, and that's pretty much the only reason I get knives is because they look good. So, and also are practical, but I don't really use knives. I use them to open letters, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and also cut fabric, apparently, like I did last time. But yeah, no, good knife. So on to the other points of it. It's not expensive. It's $11.95, and that's in Euro. What? UK currency. So probably like $15, something like that. The knife, the length of it itself, is 3.5 inches for the blade and 8 inches overall. So, you know, pretty standard lock knife. Not too big, not too small. Just in the sweet spot. The handle materials, stainless steel. The blade shape is a sort of dagger spear-ish sort of shape. The grind is a high flat. If I could cut that open, I'd show you, but I can't. So you're just gonna have to take my word on that. I got it like I get most of my knives from a site called DNA Leisure, and that's where I got this one from. The delivery was like, I mean, this is more of a review on the site itself, I guess, but the delivery was 2 days, which is insane because everything's going on just now. So it was like a day and a half maybe for delivery, so it was really good delivery. The blade, as you can see, it's a blackout blade, so it's just jet black on both sides. Pretty cool. I like that, especially the nice contrast to the shiny bright handle, and then just the blackout blade. I like that a lot. Yeah. There's oh yeah, that's a fair point. There's a clip on it, pocket clip, so you can like clip it onto your jeans or whatever if you're at work. Yeah, pocket clip, so you can clip it onto your jeans or whatever you're wearing. Yeah, there was something else. Oh yeah. With this knife, there's an option on the site that I got it to for 1 extra penny. You can get another lock knife, and I did that obviously. So it's like a little ADC. Well, maybe it's a little. No, yeah, I think it is an ADC. It's maybe a little bit big to be an ADC, but only by millimeters if it is. You know, it's just a basic standard silver stainless steel knife that locks. You can see it on the screen just now. It's you know, it's alright. It's not that bad. It's kind of tough though, like to get the actual mechanism out and like straighten the blade and to push it back in again. But other than that, it's a penny. Can't really complain. So yeah, that was the Anglo Arms 3D Knights Cross Lock Knife. I would absolutely recommend it. It looks pretty damn cool. Like, I'm a huge fan of it, the way it looks. I like just like holding it and looking at it because I'm a weirdo. But yeah, if this video was helpful in any way somehow, you know what to do. Like it, subscribe to Knife to See You. I like the name of that channel. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here and stop blabbering on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Support is appreciated. Goodbye.